Hi traders, we made this video to optimize your everyday searching for setups. I know that many of you spend a lot of time to find reliable setup. Watch this video till the end where we will summarize step-by-step sequence of finding reliable setups for your trading session. Subscribe for our Telegram channel where we post free signals to work out, useful articles, educational videos and more. If you want to become a professional trader, visit our website and figure out how to join our community, where our students master their trading through consistent practical lessons and trading diary check with the feedback. When you join the community, you go through the video course. This video course represents theoretical base. Then you pass a test to check your theoretical knowledge, with further limitless practical lessons in Discord server held every week. It's impossible to make your trading profitable alone. Join the team of professionals where you will level up your skills with no limits in time. The very first and most important element we should start the analysis with is a market background report. We should check the sentiments of the market, BTC, news and fundings. First of all, we check the BTC behavior not to be surprised by unexpected movements, because if we are looking for long movements while BTC is showing us to be about to short, our trade will probably be spoiled because altcoins almost usually follow the BTC. Now what do we see here? 1 hour time frame BTC is ending its long run, ending its long trend, and now it showed us the correction. The correction broke the first zone of strong buyers, and here on the way we see the next zone of strong buyer, where I'm almost sure the BTC will be reversed. But anyway, if we turn to 15 minutes time frame, here we see a local lows that would probably gonna be broken as well, as you see, and it will be something like this kind of compression to this level, many touches as you see, several touches, and finally the breakout that will maybe resist by this zone. But now, at least at the current moment, we see that the BTC is inside the range with quite low volumes, and the market is gonna be calm for today, at least for upcoming several hours. I hope it's clear. Then news. We go to news aggregator like investing and check the economic calendar. We do not trade 15 minutes before and after 3 stars news release to avoid inadequate price movement. What do we see here for the whole day? There are no very important news except this period, FOMC press conference. It's extremely important kind of news. 3 stars. It will be press conference of we fixed this time, we set up the reminder 15 minutes before this occasion we stopped trading. The morning period is quite calm and clear. There is nothing to bring volatility to the market before this news release. 2-3 upcoming hours are expected to be calm. And finally we switch to the screener of the C-scalp, and here we see the funding section. Fundings are made to restore correlation between futures and spot. Depending on the funding figures, buyers pay to sellers or vice versa when their positions are opened. And we should check timing and better avoid having your position open during the time of fundings, as it can play against you. But now we see that findings are very low, 0.1%. The most dangerous findings are about more than 1% when the movements are very strong. And we see that before the next funding, more than 1 hour left. so the findings are calm and not dangerous. Now we have a clear picture of the background of the market and we can switch to setup searching. Now we can make a conclusion that the market is very calm, the volatility is stable and moderate. Now we should select the in-play instruments. The best way is to watch the active in-play instruments with moderate to high volatility, because we are scalpers and we trade volatile instruments. Here in CSCAP we can watch, as you see, the leaders of growth and the leaders of fall, and we select the most active and promising instruments. I prefer watching the top 5 instruments from this list, the most active in fall and growth, and we place them on our working space. So we create new tab, we add the order book, another order book for futures. Really see that instrument is quite active, that's what we are really interested in. So we placed the most active instruments on our working space, and we remember the report. We can find the setups to both sides, long setups and short setups, because the market background report tells us that everything is okay, the market is quite calm. And what should we do next? We should switch to local technical analysis of the instrument. First of all, we should mark the local extremums, daily highs and daily minimums. Let's switch to higher time frames. We see that the instrument is inside the range, and it's extremely important. And the next sequence will depend on the strategy we are trading. I personally trade the breakouts, level breakouts, and the zones smart money trading. The volumes are rising and the instrument is forming local highs, so we mark these highs, and during the day we can expect the multiple touches to this level with further breakout of it. Of course, the market news or unexpected BTC behavior could spoil this analysis, but anyway, we're just searching for possible trades. We left this scenario as a first one that we are expecting for today's trading session, because as you see, the local highs were formed. Here we see the tendency of volume growth, and we expect this scenario. Next instrument, here we see the consolidation after a drastic short movement. We see this accumulation of price with decrease of volumes, but anyway the instrument is still active. What I personally expect, here we see the inclined level that in fact implies cascade levels breakout. As you see, on very high activity around these levels we can expect the breakout, but we should really keep an eye on the tape. The tape should be extremely active right before the breakout. This is the next scenario, the next setup for this trading session. Joy USDT. As you see, the volumes are rising, and if we turn to 5 minutes time frame, we see quite interesting formation. It's keep aggressively falling, and I see the local minimums that could be assaulted. I'm expecting the instrument to keep trading here with price compression to this level as usual. Nothing difficult with the further breakout. There could be, frankly speaking, some liquidity grabs, a fake attempts to buy out, but anyway I am almost sure that there is a strong correction on the market, and we expect this price to continue the movement. This is in the next setup. I'm expecting to work out here Another one instrument that I'm interested to work out is WLD, and here you see quite clear level. However, the volumes are decreasing. Here daily volumes are not enough, but in case the volumes rise by the moment of the next approach to this level, I will probably participate in this breakout. Now you know the optimal process of finding the setups for your trading session, and I hope this video was useful. If you have some questions or comments, you are welcome to write them in the comments below. Thank you for your attention, see you soon.